Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. The key fob battery is situated behind this cover here, so we need to remove it to gain access to the battery. We do so by getting our flat-headed screwdriver, and just at the bottom of the fob just there is a small indentation where you can put the blade of the screwdriver in and give it a twist, which releases the cover. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. We just get our smaller screwdriver and we just get underneath it and we just reprise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, make sure it all lines up. We click it all back together and there you go, it's all done.